All right, what do we get here?
Craftsman electric chainsaw. Okay. Well, I decided to get something a little less expensive than a traditional chainsaw.
$59.
What I decided to do is get an electric. Now, the advantage is I don't have to worry about mixing gases and all that kind of stuff. It does take some bar oil. But we'll see if it actually goes through wood at a decent rate. I'm not expecting it to be like a gas, but as long as it works and it cuts fairly well in a timely way, we'll give it a shot. Three-year limited warranty. Are you getting this? All right. Seems to be running. One cut. A little rougher than normal, but it's cutting at a decent rate. I think not bad. Advantages of a cord, not.
Uh-oh. Running out of cord.
Yeah. Now this is about 5, maybe 4 or 5, I would think. Not bad. Much easier than cutting.
Wouldn't go than the handsaw?
The handsaw. Okay, so for 59 bucks, same price probably as a good bottle of California red wine. I mean, a pretty good, darn good wine. I got a tool that made things a lot easier, and I didn't have to worry about trying to get a gas-powered chainsaw working, and took care of the project. So I'm happy. It made it a heck of a lot easier. Yeah, it's not as strong. Yeah, it doesn't cut as fast, but it's doable, and I would give it a thumbs up.